Put 12 nails in a lemon, and watch what happens. The internet is full of all sorts of instructions for survival in nature. Some of them are quite strange, some are too difficult to implement. One of the most important questions to survival in the middle of nowhere is this: how to light a fire? Well, it's easy. With a lemon and some nails you do not have to worry anymore. The YouTube channel North Survival, as its name says, shares content for survival in the open. This time teaches us how to make a bonfire from a lemon and some more materials. To perform the experiment that presents the YouTube video you will need 1. A lemon, 2. 6 nails, 3. 6 bent bed bugs, 4. 2 wires lined, 5. 5 bare wires, 6. Paper 7. And steel wool. Most of these materials can be obtained in a hardware store, except lemon. First you have to nail the bed bugs in a row on the lemon, in parallel do the same with the nails in another row of 6. As YouTube pictures show, these materials should not be touched inside the fruit. Then diagonally connect the head of a nail with that of a bed bug using the 5 bare wires. As seen in the YouTube clip, connect the first nail with the second bug, leaving the last nail and the first bug in each row free. Once the wiring of the cables is completed, the first bed bug and the last nail must be connected to the ends of one of the wires respectively. The YouTube video advises to put the lint or steel lanyard in front of the lemon with some paper at the top. Then make contact between the wires and the metal lint. Soon it will produce a flame of fire thanks to the voltage that has the fruit, which is enough to light a LED spotlight. You have the link to the video mentioned in the description of this video. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.